So it is hair day. I'm going to get my hair braided. Thank God. One of the decisions that I made in 2026 was it's a non-negotiable for me is to keep my hair done, to keep my nails done, to keep my eyebrows done, really just to really keep myself presentable. And that may sound vain, but I came across a creator's account a while ago, and she was basically saying, no matter what you're going through as a woman, at no point is letting yourself go going to make you feel better, right? It's actually going to make you feel worse, and it's not going to help your situation. As women, we are judged, unfortunately, on the way we look, and what we can do, and people see the way we look first. So if you look good and you feel good and you feel good, you're gonna do good. That's an old quote, that's a well-known quote, and it's so true. And people treat you based off the way you look. That's just what it is. They treat you based off the way you look. And just putting people aside, I just feel better. Like, I know me, like I was wearing a wig. That wig I felt like was making me look older. And to my women out there that wear wigs, like, I commend y'all, because that's not an easy thing to do. You have to maintain that wig. Really, every day you go out, you have to make some type of tweaks or modification to the wig, whether it's making sure if it's a lace wig, if it's glued down, making sure, it's curled the right way or whatever it may be. And to be honest with you, I'm just not willing to put that much work into doing a wig. I'm just not. And for me, I love the way braids look on me. It's a very natural look. They look good on me, and it's my go-to protective style. It has been like that for really since the pandemic, honestly. Like, I'm always keeping some type of braids in my hair. It's my go-to hairstyle. It looks good. I can wake up out of the bed and just go, and especially with me working out and being in the gym, I need a reliable protective style that I can go to that's transitionary, so I can leave the gym, go to work, come back home, go to an interview, go to an event, and I can still look presentable. So that's why I'm going to get my braids done. And in previous weight loss journeys, like, it was a mental game that I was playing with myself, because it's like, okay, I'm at this weight, I don't deserve to look good, I don't deserve to, take care of myself. It's like, once I get to that ideal weight, that's when I'll start sprucing myself up. But this time it's like, no, you're going to take care of yourself, on this entire journey. So at 199, you're going to take care of yourself, and you gonna continue to take care of yourself at a lighter weight. I got my hair done. I got me some boho braids. Took about 4 hours. I feel like me again. And like I said before, keeping myself up as a woman, maintenance such as my hair, my nails, my eyebrows, it's mandatory. It's a non-negotiable for me going into 2026 into the rest of my life. I'm in a transitionary phase, transformational phase, and even in this process of me transforming, I still need to look presentable. I don't have to wait until I get to my ideal weight in order to look good. I gotta look good while I'm on that journey. Y'all won't be seeing me working out with that baseball cap anymore. The reason I was wearing that baseball cap because underneath I had my Queen Latifah wig braids, so I wasn't comfortable enough to just go raw like that. I just feel more comfortable with my hair done, and it's less maintenance, and it still got me looking presentable. So yes, 2026 and beyond, non-negotiable is keeping myself up, looking good as a woman.